you've noticed over the past month or two, a lot of these COVID-19 notices popping up on people's website. They're really useful to communicate something fast and direct people to your more extensive plan. Any kind of urgent updates can go in these bars at the top of your screen. But it's been especially popular to communicate about your COVID-19 policy. Are you still open? Are you temporarily closed? What is it that you most need people to know? You can put it in a colorful bar at the top of your website to gain the most attention without messing up the flow of the rest of your website. So I'm going to show you how to do this. There's two basic website platforms that a lot of my clients are hosting on. One is Squarespace. I'll talk about that first. And then I'll walk you through how to do it if you have a WordPress site. So to start with Squarespace, you want to go to squarespace.com/login. And you'll see all the lists of the websites that you work on here. I'll just choose one at random. This is the local Oakland body shop. Click on the site you want to edit, and it'll pull up your main menu over here. Go ahead and go to marketing, and then go to announcement bar underneath engagement. That's what most people are using for your COVID-19 announcements. So you go ahead and enable that announcement bar. You can make it say whatever you like. You can include a URL. This is the link that it goes to. It could be a public Facebook post. It could be a different page on your website. Just anywhere that gives more information. So you can paste in a URL here. And that's about it. That's all you need to do is press save. Then if you want to edit the look and feel of it after you're done, you can go into the design section and change the colors and the fonts. But that's how you add it in Squarespace. You go into marketing, announcement bar, and choose enable announcement bar. Now, say on the other hand, you have a WordPress website. You'll go to whatever your website is.com/login, not wordpress.com. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. And there's an extra step with WordPress that we'll need to add a new plugin. So go to plugins and then add new. And search in plugins for announcement bar. So a lot of these work just fine. I'll show you Simple Banner because that's one I've used in the past. You'll install it and then press activate. So once you've installed it, you'll have a new icon here on the left-hand side for Simple Banner. Click that to pull up its options. So you make sure that no is selected. By default, you'll want it to be fixed. That means it stays on the top of the browser. You can leave most of this the same. You can change up the background color, something bright and eye-catching. You can change the font color, and then with this one, if you want to add a link, you can do it by adding a simple bit of HTML code like this. You type in ahref, and then inside, this is where you want the link to go. And this between the beginning and the end of A's tags, that's what you want the title to show up as, the name of the button. If you forget how, it's got an example here at the top. You can just copy and paste that to start. So when you're done, just press Save Changes at the bottom, and that'll show up on the front end of your website. You can always check and see, it shows you what it looks like here. And you can check by looking at your website as well. Later on, if you want to turn it off, you can just press the Hide Simple Banner button and save. Or you can deactivate and delete the plugin if you don't think you'll use it again. So that's how you make a COVID-19 notice on Squarespace and WordPress. If you have a platform that isn't one of these, like Joomla or Wix, please do feel free to get in touch for a free 30-minute consult, and I'll walk you through how to do it there. Thanks, and stay safe.